Alright guys, so before this video starts, let me just tell you something. This is my first time racing, so you're probably going to be saying, why is it going so slow? Why is he getting past? It's my first time. I wasn't necessarily pushing the car to the full limits, and you know, our car's brand new. We have to do a bunch of stuff on it, and I'll go over what we have to do on it at the race recap at the end of the video. But yeah, so it's my first time racing, so I'm not going to be going too fast in this video. It can go faster, as you'll see the other guy flying by me. Just taking my time, don't want to wreck my race car the first practice thing. But my race car is pretty slow right now. Like I said, we have to add a bunch of mods. My first time racing and do a bunch of stuff, but we'll cover that on the race recap. So now, welcome to the video. Alright guys, it's 7:45 in the morning. We're getting all our stuff ready to go up the Lee Speedway to go do the practice. We have our trailer outside and ready to go. Everybody's getting ready. And yeah, it's going to be a great day. Let's go. Alright guys, so we got everything loaded up. The all truck loaded up and everything. We're almost ready to go, so we're gonna get all our stuff loaded up. We're going to drive all the way to a certain place, and then we're gonna pick up my uncle, and then it's off the Lee Speedway to go race and do the practice. And other cars are gonna be racing there too, so it's gonna be fun. Let's go. Even though we're pulled over, people still going like 100 miles per hour by us. Oh, now he's gonna slow down because he knows. So yeah, we have to put the thing back on. The thing basically, we hit a bump, and it felt really weird. And then halfway down the road, we had. Wait, Dad, what happens if you're on the highway? So yeah, keep you updated. And people still just love to go 100 miles per hour by us. Let's just see what this guy does. What is this thing? Just in case, you never know. Watch, just stop recording, this guy will hit us. Oh nope, that guy's starting. Alright. Alright, we just picked up my uncle. My Uncle Fat Man. Uncle Granny. Granny Corvette driver. Alright, now we're off the Lee Speedway. Ready? Alright guys, so we're almost at the Speedway. At Lee Speedway. Like I said, the trailer almost fell off a little when we first left. Got Uncle Fatman, Uncle Damon here. Corvette owner. C6 Grand Sport. Yeah, so we're almost there. Yeah. Alright, almost there.
Officer went flashing.
It should be it right here. Speedway.
That's a good little trick, right? Don't flash.
There it is.
Check this out.
You've arrived.
That's pretty cool.
Dang, it's got some bacon on that one, doesn't it? This thing's cool looking track. NASCAR.
Do you have to wait a second? No, he parked here. I didn't go around. Sure? I'm not sure, but it looks that way. I think he waved you by, Jen.
Wow, somebody.
Jared, this is gonna come on your left.
33.
You have to go in the booth here first? You don't want to.
This is a cool track, Dad, isn't it? Daddy?
I'll park on the side, yeah, check.
It's very tight. Oh, and there goes the trailer. Well, at least we made it. It's got all the trailers here.
Welcome, race fans.
Practice day here. No, we're all moving up still, Daddy.
He's gonna go check.
All right. Look at this. All the trucks pulling in. The race here. This is awesome. All right, now we're off to the pits.
This is the part of the process I don't like. You know, I like just to be set up, know what I'm doing. You know what I mean?
Hold on.
It's the not knowing aspect. And then if I have to turn around, yeah, that's gonna be a fun obstacle.
All right, look out for this guy. I feel like my dad's mother.
What's that?
I feel like my dad's mother. Look out for this guy, Gary. I know he's gonna. Raptor. Oh, he has no front license plate. Would have been easy to record.
This guy's using his friggin' landscaping. I know, she's confusing though. She's like, she should have asked, okay, now where's the race car? Alright, well, if you're attached to your truck, then you have to bring the whole thing in.
Yep, I need one of those things.
Right here, Dada. Wow, look at this place.
Hi, Bandoleros? Where am I going?
You're racing, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Going up here, but do you have
Yep.
everyone?
Yep, we do. Yep.
Okay, good enough.
Thanks. So do I check in with somebody? Where do I?
No, it's just go in front of the police pit and
All right. Okay. We'll figure it out. Thank you.
yeah.
I thought that.
Seekonk in New Hampshire, they have areas for bandos, areas for this, areas for that.
At first I didn't think he was gonna talk.
It doesn't help that they don't have somebody who's.
Wow, look at
Yeah,
these cars,
How am I
man.
supposed to find? Look, I'm gonna get stuck with this.
Look at these
This is
cars.
crazy. Can I go down there?
No.
Let me, oh, someone behind you or not? Hold on, I can't see.
Dude, this is awesome.
Hold on, let me ask these guys. Let me out, Jeff. That's this Speedway official pace car.
Daddy, how cool is this though? Isn't this cool, Daddy? Look at all the race cars ready to go. We're racing today. Practice. My friends say the sport is stupid. Well, they're stupid. Because it's not. That guy has some damage. Right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down here.
Where did they say to go, Dad?
No one knows.
What the hell's Uncle Damon doing? Uh-oh. Looks like he said something. And then now he's kind of like saying, oh, wait,
No one knows?
editing trick. Alright, so we're here. Let's check out, oh, there goes the one over there. They're rolling it. Yeah, I want to watch these guys go. Is it snowing out? I feel like it might snow out. That's how cold it is. Dude, these things are cool, aren't they? Look at this guy, he's got damage.
Yeah, it wasn't raining.
The exhaust comes out the side.
Is that where they inspect it?
Yeah, see, they're weighing it and everything. See, they go dying inside. When did they start them, Dad?
12 o'clock.
What time is it now?
only reason we made it the first race last year is because I fucking bought everything.
It's 11 what?
52.
It's 11:52, Daddy. So let's be down over there when they start them. Wow, there's a lot of different cars out here, isn't there? Look, what's that thing? Should be entertaining, right?
Hey, there's your bathrooms.
All right, Dad, let's. You want to go back? Cause I want to be over there when they all start them.
It's like Bando, dude. You're gonna be the only one on the track.
You think I am?
Unless people are gonna show up afterwards. Maybe they're not coming because it's not running till 2.
They're not coming because it's what?
Because the Bandos aren't running till 2, so maybe they're gonna come a little bit later.
I don't know. I don't like racing by myself. Dude, you see how cool the track looks though?
Cover the car.
Guy looks like Tony Stewart. We gotta set up our own tent and everything when we're doing this stuff. Yeah, isn't that funny how my friends say this is stupid?
That's funny. She's gotta figure it all out, that's all.
Yeah, I don't know, man. There's a lot.
It's more like a self-learn, self-figure out.
Alright, do you want to just stand here? So where do you want to go right now? Oh God, the weird sea cop smells. Alright, so this is the track that I'm going to be racing at today. Very cool. Very cool. They start right there in that box. I like to set up more of the sea cats. You can get close to it, but see.
Oh, see, that's why you come in right here, Kyle. You're gonna go around, and then you're gonna come in this way to the front.
Yep. Woo, there they go! Now these are the jet dryers and stuff. Getting the track ready for the practice. So the super late models are first, then Legends, and then us, and then some other car or something.
No, I think those things first. See number 27 with the big wing? See it?
No. What are those? What's the first one? Super late models, right, Daddy?
It's an American Classic Tour, whatever that is.
Oh.
American Canadian Tour practice. So for the race tomorrow, they're doing their practice first.
Okay, and then?
And then Classic Lights, and then Mini Stocks.
And then?
They keep slowing down the list.
When super late models?
Supers, 120. Late model Sportsman, 140.
Of course, the one that I want to watch, right, is right when we have to get ready. Are the middle pits over there?
Some of those big cars?
Yeah, sometimes. There it goes down. Yeah, man, I'm excited to watch these guys go.
Smell the rubber burn?
Yeah, look at this guy coming out.
Oh, cool. Oh, it's 12 o'clock, that's why they're open now. Yeah.
It's gonna be entertaining. I think that guy already had some issues. Look at that guy. Holy crap. Woo! You did? Come on, is that loud or what?
That's very loud. He's not even gunning it. Look at that little
Look at that little thing with the wing. Look at that thing with the wing. That's the kind of car Tony Stewart killed that guy with. 200 different cars trying to warm up the track right now.
It's sloppy right now. Everyone's all over the place. Like this guy's doing it. This guy's doing it. His health insurance all that. No, I mean for the cars.
Dude, look at this guy's pushing it.
Race car.
They're trying to race.
He's probably talking to the tower, that guy. Like he has his headset on there. You want to take a walk to the truck with me?
No, I'm watching this right now. You need to take a walk to it. If they say anything. My car going out here with these guys. How long has that guy been going? They're trying to get them going. To get everybody rounded up and go. Look at these people in their cars. Our truck and join the fun. Woo!
These are the mini style.
Yeah. Loud, isn't it? Sure, you want to go ask them, see if we can get a bandolero on this one?
I don't want you out there. Now we got like 500 different cars on the track right now. Wait for this jet trying to get off, we can actually get this thing going.
People are calming down now. Alright. I have to get ready to pull this thing out and get going. He's getting ready. Other people are racing, getting ready to go. Uncle Damon or whoever is gonna record for me. I'm sorry if the footage ended up sucking. Not my fault, this dude. Can't do anything. Don't worry, Uncle Damon. One day you'll be famous. When I get lots of subscribers, they'll be like, oh, you're the uncle of Tyler.
I was getting your frequency ready.
Bandolero. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully. Everybody's getting ready. All the race cars and everything. 76, ready to go. What's wrong with this thing?
Nothing, just body panel. You can still race without it.
That Ford Raptor over there. Caught that spin when people are on the track on the caution. Guy spun, almost hit the wall. So yeah, we'll get back to you when we're racing.
Oh, yeah, we only got one, right?
Alright guys, so we're getting ready to get in the Bandolero and go up there. We're getting ready to go in the Bandolero and go up there and go race. So wish me good luck.
Don't bitch about it.
exit, that's one to go. It's flags right there. Yeah. Wow, look at these guys getting ready to go through. I'm gonna record this to them too.
Guys, so we just finished doing my practice and it was fun. We're pretty slow, so we do need to improve gears and stuff. But yeah, it was good. It was fast. So yeah, that's it.
Another 2 hours.
All right, so we're leaving. We'll look at all the cars.
Of course, I come out when the race is over.
Might as well just park.
They need a director of traffic.
Wait, I want to record this. Wow. There they all go. Kind of blocking them.
Well, they can just lap around again.
You're right, Dad. Of all the time we decide to leave. Alright, bye-bye. This is pretty cool though over here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not that set up. Once you know what you're doing. You know what I mean? At least there was one other fan. Yeah.
I would have been freaking
Well,
out.
if you were by yourself, you'd never know that.
When to go.
Yeah. You would never know.
Alright. See you guys when I get home. Alright, we're leaving the racetrack. You can see they're going around there right now. Alright, see you guys later. Alright, so we just stopped, dropped my uncle off, came with us.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Our car was super slow though, so we need to do a lot of improvements. We're just here, sitting here, dropped my uncle off, so bye-bye, Uncle Damon.
Buddy.
Yeah, so the car was pretty slow, so we're gonna have to make some adjustments on it, right, Dad?
Right.
And yeah, so we're just sitting here, and now after this, it's off to home. Alright guys, finally made it home. Trailer's safe, back at home. And at the end of every time we race, I'll have a race recap at the end of every racing vlog. This is racing vlog number 1. So at every time after a race, at the end of the video, we're gonna have a racing recap. So we're gonna go to that. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. Now let's go over what happened today. I just want to go over what happened today. So basically we arrived and stuff, because there was lots of confusion and stuff. We arrived and it wasn't raining, but once we got there it started raining. They had the jet dryer out, and they had a bunch of another car and then a pace car out trying to dry it, and it started raining and raining and raining, and we had a 1 hour and a half rain delay. They came this close to canceling it. We were that close, so thank God it stopped raining. But it was funny, they were letting any cars who wanted to help dry the track go out. So we had like street cars and race cars racing each other. They were all driving around, and you even saw in that clip this black street car, not a race car. This black street car was trying to race the stock car, and it was wet out. It was raining. I don't know what they were thinking. They decided to start racing, and then when they took the corner, the stock car lost control. You saw in my video, spun out. Oh! Trouble! He came around the corner, right? Because they were trying to race. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place. Trying to race. I don't know why they did it. It was raining out. Came around the corner. The stock car spun out, almost hit the wall. But you might not have seen this in the video. The black car almost wrecked too. That would have been cool. Well, not really. But that's why they gotta be careful. I don't know what they were thinking. It was pouring out. Yeah, there was a bunch of cars going around. The trucks were really hauling it and stuff. My Bandolero can go. Well, we'll get on to that later. But yeah, it was a pretty fun day. It rained most of the day, but luckily they finally got the cars out. You can see that we had some footage of me racing, and then the other cars racing. My uncle was recording, so I'm sorry it didn't come out that great. But yeah, now it's time for the race recap. Now let me explain something that's gonna be happening on my channel from now on. We're gonna have 2 types of things. We're gonna have 3 types of videos: vlogs, race car updates, with additional stuff added on to them. So it might be a race car update and a vlog combined, or just a vlog, or just a race car update and a race vlog combined. So we're gonna have vlogs where I just vlog, and sometimes we'll combine with race car updates where we work on the race car and get it ready for racing, or add stuff, which I'll be talking about where we're gonna be adding stuff. Or we'll have a race vlog, which is basically what you saw today, us at the racetrack practicing. Today was a race vlog practice day. And yeah, so that's what's gonna be happening on the channel. Now let's talk about the race recap. Now, we had a long day sitting there waiting, rain. Finally, we got to go out. There was lots of confusion. I got in my car. We were hurrying up because they're like, oh, station for Bandolero in a few minutes. And then all of a sudden, oh, last call. Got in my car really fast. Had to fly down the pits. Then I got lost. I took the wrong turn. I was sitting there, and the guy came up behind. He's like, oh, you gotta go down more. Went down, turned around, got on there. You can see my uncle's video. My uncle, he was recording when I was sitting there, and I waved in the pit area while the legends were racing. Those cars are the next level up, which I'll be racing next year, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be awesome. Those go up to 100. Bandoleros go Well, it's all different on every track. It really depends on how you set up the car, how fast they can go. It's very confusing, and we'll restrict the plates and stuff. But yeah, so we finally get to go out, and then we finally get to go around. The car stuck to the ground perfectly. But here's the thing. Let's remember, it's my first time racing ever. First time ever racing. I never raced before. The car has never raced before. That means that we've literally done nothing to the car. There's no special suspension, special gearing, special this, special that, and special acceleration things. There's none of that. It's just completely stock, and it's also not broken in. So let me explain. So the car, the reason why, because in the video I'm getting passed. I know everybody's gonna say I suck. Well, give me a break. It's my first time racing. The car's completely stock. Nothing done to it. That guy probably had suspension and everything done to that. I'll go on to that later. We'll talk about that later, what we're gonna do to it. But yeah, we basically we're constantly getting passed, right? But here's the main problem. The thing is still new and is still being broken into. What that means is the clutch is still new, so when I press the gas, when I floor it, when the green flag goes, when I floor it, sorry, that's my phone. When I floor it, it has a what do you call it? Delay. So it kind of goes stalls and then goes. Now, is it because there's something wrong with my race car? And I'm sorry, hold on a second. That isn't because there's something wrong with my race car. It's just because the clutch is new and is being broken into. So people who say I suck, not really, and the race car is still new, then where am I supposed to drive it? On the road and get killed or get arrested? There's really no place to do it, and it's always raining. But yeah. So yeah, the main issues we had today were the car stick perfect. It was just mainly because we have no special suspension, we have no special gearing, which I'll get onto later in a few minutes about that, and the car's still not broken into. But anyway, it might look slow, but that's not even, we were pushing it, but like I said, when you get all that, when we do the upgrades and all that stuff, we flying around that track, it feels fast, like faster than I thought it was gonna feel. It's a little slow on the straightaways, but once again, depends on what kind of gearing you do, which I'll get to that in a second. Everything, it's like, well, it feels slow here and here, but that can change if you change something in the car. So somebody might drive my car and say, oh, this is boring, this racing's slow. And then the next day I change something, be like, wow, this is fast, or, but this is slow. I mean, you gotta find some middle ground. But now, yeah, so those were the problems. But I had a good practice. He was overlapping me like crazy. Almost didn't see him. The guy had to wave to me. The guy up in the stands. I would have knocked him off the track. I did not see him. That would have been bad. But yeah, I was still trying to keep it easy. The first 3 laps, I was full throttling it, but I was letting off in the turns. I didn't need to. I didn't know. I never raced there before. I never raced. I didn't know I wasn't supposed to let off. I think once he passed me the first time, that I was like, oh, okay. I started following his line. I'm like, I really don't have to let off. He's going full speed, and he's going faster than me. But he was getting a little loose. But, yeah. That was another thing. I almost thought he was going to crash. We went around one turn, his whole car kind of went silent. It's like, great. Because you know what happens is he spins out. He's going to slam on his brakes. I'm going to slam on, boom, dead. Not dead, but dead race car. Lots of repairs. That wouldn't have been good. But, yeah. So now what we have to do is, this week, our next practice is at Seekonk Speedway. Let's hope that they send us the right thing this time. May 10th or May 12th. Now, listen, this is what we're going to do to the race car. I hope there's any AO racers out there going to steal my ideas, but this is where the car can be slow or fast. When we were racing around Lee Speedway, it felt kind of slow everywhere. Slow around the corners, slow on the straightaways. Basically, it felt like I was one of those NASCAR racers who are so far behind that they're been overlapped 700 times, they're 150 laps down or something. But it still felt fast, but not fast as that guy was going. When you see him pass by, you realize how slow you're going. He was going, had to be going like 10 miles per hour faster, which is a big deal. That's even 2 miles per hour faster can be the difference between, even 1 mile per hour faster can be the difference between you winning or losing, and that's a big difference. But I know this video is probably super long, and thank you guys for watching this. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is, because it sucks basically everywhere, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put special gearing in it. Now, we're not always gonna race at Lee Speedway. We're gonna change the gearing and the suspension every different track we go to, whether it's road case, road course, oval, mini oval, the ovals that have long straightaways. But what we're gonna do for Seekonk Speedway, now I know other races are probably gonna steal my ideas, is we're gonna do the gearing that basically, so first of all we have to get slick. So we're gonna cut the tires and make it so that it's slick, so you not as much grip, so that you have better acceleration. Then we're gonna put the special gearing in it that basically when you come off the corners you have such good acceleration, but your top speed is horrible. But this can be good and bad. It depends on what track you're on. If you're on a track that has a turn and a super long straightaway, aka Lee Speedway, the one I just raced at, this gearing is absolutely horrible. But someplace like Seekonk Speedway, where it's a turn, a straightaway, but not super long, and then another turn, this is where you want it. Because when you come into the turns, you're slowing down just a little bit. You're mainly full out. But then once you kind of get straight, you'll get that initial push again. But then the top speed is going to be horrible. But the straightaway is so small on Seekonk that it doesn't matter. Now, never raced at Seekonk. This could be a big fail. The problem is we don't know if we're going to be... We don't know if you're going to have to let off around that turn in Seekonk or not. If not, then maybe this isn't the best gearing. It'd still be better than the top speed gearing. Now, the top speed gearing. Top speed gearing is basically, you come into the turn, when you come out of the turn, you got bad acceleration. But then, you have better top speed, and this is good at Lee Speedway, because Lee Speedway has a long straightaway. Not super long, but long, or compared to basically any other track, except for Waterford, whatever happened to them. A bunch of lawsuits and stuff, but yeah, so basically, you'll be coming out of the corner, the guy in front of you will accelerate faster, but then you'll end up catching him because you have the higher top speed gearing, which is better for Lee Speedway, but horrible for Seekonk. But I might be wrong. I don't think so, but we'll see. So yeah, those are the plans for the race car. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, I'm not trying to be that YouTuber that's like, oh, please, subscribe. No, listen, I worked very hard in this video. While I'm making this recording right now, I have 1,000 things uploading. It's going to take me forever. And yeah, thanks to my uncle and my dad and all those people for helping me record and help me get the race car out and stuff. And thanks to I think it was number 27X or something. That was over there too. That guy who races and his father too, and they're nice. And then some legend car racer and stuff who's going to help us slash the tires and stuff. So thanks to them for helping me, especially when I was lost going into the place. I was sitting here, I'm like, where the heck am I supposed to go? The road led down to the parking lot. I might end up on the highway. Woo, this is fun. Yeah, but sadly there was only 2 people on the track, on 1. It was just me and that guy. So maybe, because I've seen videos of that guy and he really is the best Bandolero racer out there. Like, he wins a lot, so maybe they put me up against the best. I don't know what the average is, but we're going to put those gearing in it. We'll be up there, so don't worry. But next practice, May 10th or May 12th, is Seekonk, and the first race is not for a while. So basically during practices, it's just basically screw around, you mess with your car and you see what's better. It doesn't really matter. It's like so you don't even have to do the rules, but whatever. And you can write the track. I want to do that too. That would be fun. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. Tell me what you think. And yeah. And one more thing, you know, it's funny how my friends hate my sport. Well, guess what? Stop being jealous. It's annoying. Yeah, it's stupid. It's just my friend. Yeah, I don't understand. People say racing's stupid and it takes no effort. It's not easy. And my hands were killing me, and that wasn't even nowhere close to what those NASCAR drivers have to go through. It's not easy, especially working on the car and stuff. Why don't you guys come try to do it? I don't know why people say sport's stupid. I think it's just because they're jealous. But whatever. I think after seeing this video, my friends are going to love this. Probably not, but whatever. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Please tell me what you think. Comment. Share this video with other people. Subscribe. Need all the support I can get. Trying to grow this channel, be a racing channel, vlogs and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.